Hi, I'm Ben,
And I'm Matteo.
and this is our Project for Awesome video for the Good Food Institute.
So, Ben, what is the Project for Awesome?
The Project for Awesome is a fundraising campaign organized by the Vlogbrothers, a pair of YouTubers who have been making videos since 2007. Participants make videos for charities they want to raise money for and vote up the videos of others. The money raised is then split among the charities that gain the most votes across the videos made for them.
Nice! How did you decide what charity you wanted to make a video for?
Well, I think that animal welfare is very important and that animal cruelty is a problem on a huge scale. Factory farms keep billions of animals in horrible conditions around the world. I wanted to do something to help, so I checked out the website for our animal charity evaluators and decided that the Good Food Institute was doing good work that I would like to help fundraise for.
You'll have to tell me more about this organization. First, who are the animal charity evaluators?
The Animal Charity Evaluators are an organization that does in-depth research on the effectiveness of different charities working to improve the lives of animals around the world. They let you know exactly where you can give your money so that it goes to the best possible work improving animal welfare. Their top-rated charities at the moment are Mercy for Animals, the Humane League, and the Good Food Institute.
Sounds like a great organization. Now, tell me more about the Good Food Institute.
The Good Food Institute sets its sights on shrinking one of the worst industries for animal welfare, the meat industry. Billions of animals suffer horribly in meat farms all over the world. They live in cramped conditions, suffer untreated illness and injury, and are deprived of any sort of positive stimulation. The reason for this is that a lot of people buy their meat. The Good Food Institute wants to develop alternatives to animal products so that animals don't have to live like this to satisfy the world's food demands.
And how do they go about doing this?
The Good Food Institute promotes plant-based food in restaurants and grocery stores, as well as funding startups and research into next-generation meat substitutes and clean meat.
And what's clean meat?
Clean meat is also known as cultured meat or lab-grown meat. It's meat grown from animal cells, but without actually raising an animal, meaning that nobody has to suffer to produce it. It's also far more environmentally friendly than normal meat, and better for our health, since it can be grown in sterile conditions, so no antibiotics are needed. There's no cheap, palatable clean meat on the market yet, but it shows a lot of promise. That's why the Good Food Institute is funding research in this area.
So the meat industry is bad for the environment too?
Yes. United Nations scientists state that raising animals for food is one of the major causes of the world's most pressing environmental problems, including global warming, land degradation, air and water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Disrupting the meat industry isn't just good for animals, it's good for the whole earth.
Sounds like important work. How can people make sure money goes towards this great charity?
Vote up this video and other videos for the Good Food Institute on the Project for Awesome 2016 website.